Okay, welcome to respectmyplanet.org. This is a quick overview of the website, what it is, and how to use it if you don't know how. It just looks like a map when you come in. You don't know what you're looking at. There's not a whole lot of information there, but there's a ton of information underneath the surface. So let's describe what this website is. Right now, it's a geo-based blog where any location on the map can have its own homepage. So theoretically, there's an infinite number of locations you could track on the map. And what we're trying to do is track information on locations that concern us with regard to protecting our freshwater resources, because that's what we're all about. So oil and gas wells are something that we have to keep an eye on because they can contaminate water if they're not done properly. But any other location could be added to the map as well, like landfills or if there was a spill somewhere. And we find that tracking information by latitude and longitude turns out to be the smartest way to keep track of the information. And when you first load the map, you're looking at high volume, hydraulically fractured wells in the state of Michigan. There's also a marker here for your current location. And if you move, that marker will move with you. So this is a regular Google map. If I zoom down in on it, I can get closer to a location and inspect it closer. I can switch to satellite map. Just any Google feature is basically available. If you click on the marker, you will see an info window. That's the second part of the website. It's a big map, and it's got every marker has its own info window where you can get a little more information about that location. And then if you click through on any one of these links, you're going to go to the location homepage. And that is the third part of the website where every location has its own homepage. When you go to the homepage, you see a gallery of photographs if there are photographs. On a featured location like the front page of the map, we do have photographs on many of these locations. This is the Sherwood well in Fowlerville on Fowlerville Road. And you can click through the gallery and see a timeline of the well pad being constructed. There's a water well being drilled. You can read the comments. You can see who uploaded the photograph. This one was Neo, and there's some other people. Anyone can log in and upload a photograph. If you click on this button here, you'll see all the thumbnails in the gallery. You can go to any particular picture, and if you click on this right here, you can make it full screen to get a bigger look at the picture. There's other information related to this location. There's 2 permits here. If there were production data, it would be here. So you have all this information. Most of the information that you're really going to get about a well is here in the well file. This is hosted by the Michigan Department of Environmental Quality. This one doesn't happen to have a well file on file right now because it's too new. But we have over 63,000 locations in the database right now. And these are our featured locations, maybe 50 or 60 of these right now. If you click on Map Legend, you'll see all of the descriptions of all the markers you see over on the right. And if you were to click on anyone, let's say you wanted to find Greer 19, you click on Info window, and it's going to pop open that one. You can close the legend and you could zoom in to see where is Greer. Oh, here's Greer. And you could go through to its homepage as well. That is the gist of the map. That is the gist of the website. And you can create an account and you can upload pictures or documents or YouTubes to these locations if there's a location near you. If you want to find locations near you, click on multiple well search. Enter in your zip code. Mine is 48178 South Lyon. I accepted all the default markers, and it's going to bring back a bunch of markers in my area. I only bring back, I believe it's 1,000 at a time. Yeah, 999, that's 1,000 in JavaScript. All these markers here, 999 of them are in the closest radius to me. If I tell the program, I wrote the program to go get markers. If I tell it to bring back too many, it can crash your browser. So I'm only doing 1,000 at a time to be kind. There's me again right there. So you can see this is basically centered on me. That's my zip code right there in South Lyon. Here is a bunch of gas storage. You can see trends like this show up in the map. You can see an oil field here. You can see another gas storage field here. These are dictated by the geology. You can see a natural gas field here. There's oil trend lines here you can see where they're drilling for oil and finding it, and you can kind of get an idea of what geology is underneath there. Once again, every single marker has its own homepage. Even if there's nothing there, there's nothing on this homepage, there's nothing in the gallery, there's just a spinning globe, but I could upload a picture to this location. I could add information to this location. I can learn about this well by reading the well file. So there's all this information that's available to you. We're adding more features to this map, and I'm going to be doing more videos to show you how to use these features, like how you might, use your latitude and longitude, or find wells near you. Like I said, as I move, this marker will move. I can find wells near me, see myself on the map if I'm on my iPhone or whatever. So all this information is coming to you, and we're going to do a course where you can take one video at a time, how to upload a picture, how to attach a YouTube, how to find wells near me, how to measure distances, things like that, how to contribute and be a part of protecting Michigan's freshwater resources. That's what we're all about, and that's what the site's all about. And we have more information here than really meets the eye, and the sky's the limit. I hope you'll dive in and learn about Michigan geology and what's going on in Michigan with regard to hydraulic fracturing and high volume hydraulic fracturing and any other location of environmental concern where we want to learn the truth about what's going on. Thanks for watching.